Welcome to the channel It's Easy. I am Asutosh Chandra. Today I will discuss with you an important concept that is related to use of articles. In the After observing the following sentences, you will be able to understand the uses of articles. Where we should use definite article and where we should use indefinite article. If you observe the sentences uh, carefully, you will have a clear understanding of using definite article and indefinite article. The very first sentence is on your screen. I have a cow. The word cow, this is a noun. As you can see on your screen, some words are printed in red letter, and these words are underlined. And these words are used in the sentence. These words have been used with article, either with definite article or with indefinite article. The very first sentence is I have a cow. There's introduction of this noun cow, so we have used an indefinite article, that is a. If any noun that is introduced in a sentence, that it means if the noun has been used for the first time in a sentence, we use indefinite article. And if the same noun is repeated in the subsequent sentences, we use definite article. The same rule is applicable here. The cow has been used for the first time in the first sentence, that's why we have used a cow. And the second sentence, the cow is not new to the speaker or to the reader, that's why there is use of definite article. The cow is black. Again, the cow gives us 5 liters of milk. The cow is not new to the sentence, that's why there is use of definite article. 5 liters of milk, but there is introduction of the new noun, a new noun, that is milk. Since milk is uncountable noun, so there is no use of any indefinite article a or n. But in the next sentence, we have used the article the, because the milk, the noun is not new in the sentence. It's reuse of the noun, or the repeated use of the noun. So here we must put an article, and we have put definite article the. In the last sentence again, the noun is repeated, so we look after the cow. Moving on to the next example. I went to a party yesterday. The introduction of a noun, that is party, for the first time has been used in a sentence. That's why there is use of indefinite article or. Here I met a boy. Again, there is introduction of new noun, that is boy. So the use of indefinite article. In the subsequent sentence, I have used the boy. Since the noun has been repeatedly used in this sentence, it's not new to the sentence. That's why there is use of definite article the. The boy was very intelligent. Again, the party lasted for about 2 hours, because the word party is already mentioned in the very first sentence. So there is a repetition of the noun party. That's why there is use of definite article the. The party lasted for about 2 hours. Moving on to the next paragraph. A car has just passed. Since the word car, the noun car, has been used for the first time in the sentence, that's why there is use of indefinite article or. In the next sentence, the subsequent sentence, the car was of red color, because already we have mentioned the noun car, so there is use of definite article the. The car was of red color. 2 boys were sitting in the car. Again, 2 boys were sitting in the car. We have used the car. And an old man was driving the car. There is introduction of new noun, that is old man. Since old man is new to the sentence in this paragraph, for the first time it has been used, that's why there is use of an indefinite article, that is an. An old man was driving the car. The car, that is not new to the sentence. It's the repeated use. It's a repeat use. The old man had worn a cap. Again, the repeated use, the old man. Since it is there is a mention of old man in the second sentence, so the noun is not new to the paragraph. That's why the use of definite article the. The old man had worn a cap. Again, there is introduction of new noun, that is cap. That's why it is used with indefinite article a. In the subsequent sentence, cap has been used with definite article the, because it's not new to the sentence. The boys were engaged with mobile phones. Now you can see the boys. Since the boys have the boys, this word has been used in the second sentence. Look at the second sentence. Two boys were sitting in the car. We have already mentioned the noun boys. That's why it's not new to the sentence. That's why the use of definite article. Moving on to the next example. I write a letter every week to my father. There is introduction of a noun, letter. This is a new noun in the sentence, and it has been used for the first time. That's why there is use of indefinite article a. Raju posts the letter. Now, the word letter, it's not new to the sentence. It's the repeated use. That's why there is the use of definite article the. The letter is about my studies. Again, same concept. My father answers to the letter on weekly basis. Since in every use of letter, we have used definite article except for the first use, where the noun was introduced for the first time in a sentence. It gives us an understanding of use of noun, use of article, that whenever any noun is used for the first time in a sentence, we should use indefinite article, and if there is a repeated use in the subsequent sentences of the same noun, we should use definite article. But be careful while using indefinite article a or n, that the noun must be countable. If the noun is uncountable, we should not use indefinite article a or n, as was in the previous slide, as it was with the use of milk. For the first time, the word milk was used without any article, and for the second time, we had used the article the. Moving on to the next example. Yesterday I visited a place with Raju. A place. Again, the noun is new to the sentence. That's why I have used a place. The place was very peaceful. Now, this noun is no more new to the sentence. That's why the use of definite article the. It was covered with trees. Now, I hope you would have an understanding of the use of articles. It means after observing these sentences carefully, you will find a pattern of using indefinite article and definite article. Thank you for watching the video.